You know, in life, my experience is doing good creates more opportunities to do good. People say, you get us. And that's part of the uniqueness of our company. We've created this team that is so focused and so passionate and so caring. It's thrilling just being the CEO and seeing people that are thriving and talking to a family member about how happy their mother is and how happy they are. It sort of brings me back to thinking about my parents, the way your family treats you, that love, that care, that appreciation. Having my father and then my mother-in-law live in one of our buildings, it definitely impacts the way you think about what we do and how we do it. A really good question is, are we cookie cutter or are we unique? You can make a lot more money if you build the same thing over and over and over again. It's not about that. They have to fit into the community and they have to be special to that community. You can't do that unless you care for the person and you feel that sense of family. It's, it's a phenomenal feeling.